Today I have a 2015 Dodge Durango 5.7 liter engine. Uh, so the easiest way to remove or replace the motor mount. See, this one is completely gone, dancing. This is a new one. So inside the passenger or the driver's side, like you see over here. So first of all, if you want to, you can remove the airbox or the air intake hose, the boot. You can take it off or you can leave it, but mine is already off. So usually you're gonna remove on the driver's side, you're gonna remove this two 10mm bolt with a long extension. Oh, I still have it here. Yeah, like long swivel extension or swivel 10mm socket, and I remove it with this ratchet snap on. You can do it with just a manually. It's easy, just can go through here with your hands through here inside, and go around and take the two bolts off for the shield, and then I start take this two 15mm bolt for them the mount this side, and the other side you can also go put your hand around here, or you can go down from here, whatever is easy for you. Other side also same thing. Start taking off the 15mm bolt from here, and the other side you can go down. Okay, you can go from here, or you can you can go from there also. And after you gotta take this off. Even if you want to replace one mount, you gotta have to take off both bolts on the passenger and the driver side mounts, because what I did here to raise the engine up from the hormone balancer, like I do when I replace the oil pan gasket or the oil pan assembly. So the easiest way to take it off also is to raise it up from here. That way I'm gonna have a lot of room. Like you see this one hanging, this one is good. I'm not gonna replace it, but I have to take it off, so don't cut it if you don't lose the spools. So now I have big room to get this off and put this one back on. Just gonna show you, and then I'm gonna remove this. Like you see, see this one in the back. Yeah. hold the camera for me so I can play around with this one. But I have no helper here. Yeah, almost. Almost there. I think I need to raise this one up a little bit more. I still have room here. No worries, you're not gonna break anything. This is the second time for me. Finally, I already set it there. Yes, okay, I better turn this one around. Yeah, you can see now it's set. Now you can start to lose this one little by little, then start tie the bolts. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just comment below. Just subscribe for more videos. Thanks.